Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.
I knew you'd be in here already. It's Dijon checking in with you from New Bedford, Massachusetts at a Fairfield Inn. And all the rooms are typically the same here, but I did get a little bit of upgrade. Let's check it out. So here's a travel secret. When hitting the hotel buffet, don't reach for the standard juice cup that's available. Head over to the coffee bar and reach for the to-go coffee cup. You'll get a lot more in this one. And remember, whatever you do, don't subscribe because I don't want anyone knowing our secrets.